Hey, good morning. In this video, I will update my progress of my work. The first thing is I initialized the DataView system README file, and this is just the version 1, so we can add more. It's a highlight of how to use the DataView system and run some examples. So this video doesn't show you how to create a task and workflow. Maybe we will forward link how to create a task and how to create a workflow with our workflow models and task models later. So the first thing is that you should register Amazon EC2 account. So this account will allow you to generate the access key and the secret key to use to get control of your Amazon instance. And second is we have to import the DataView.zip file into Eclipse, and we need to fill the access key information and the secret key information in the config file. And also we can take a look at how to use the 5 steps to execute the workflow from scratch in the text.java file. And first one is create a workflow by the workflow model, and then we can design a workflow using different task components. And third one is we need to choose a workflow planner, which is we have different kind of workflow planners. We have the T-cluster, we have the ICPSP, and then we can use a workflow planner to generate a global schedule. It means a mapping policy. So it means that which tasks were mapped to which virtual machine. So the last step is we choose a workflow executor to execute the workflow. So we have two workflow executors. First one is alpha and the second one is beta. So you can choose any workflow executor to execute the workflow. So you just run this test.java as a single Java application to execute the workflow. And also you can by changing the loop numbers to run multiple times for a current workflow. And the last one is you want to retrieve the log files, right? And log files is composed of two parts. First one is local, and the second one is in the Amazon EC2. And all the log files are called the DataView log. So you can get the information, you can get for the steps to execute the workflow. That's it. So lastly, you need to terminate all the running instance to avoid extra charging. So this link will tell you how to terminate the running instance in your Amazon account. It's very easy. So the second steps I'll show you. So I fixed some bugs. So as you can see here, we have the tasks showing on the red side in the workflow repository. So this is the current folder of the task. As you can see here, we have different kind of files, and the first one is the MS graph information of the workflow. So all the remaining are the tasks. So for the task one, we have the two different kind of files. We have the class file, we have the specification file. But you can see here, so in the right side, we only show you the abstract class name, the task name. So you can have the drag and drop to retrieve the input port information, output port information. So this bug is fixed, and for here you don't need to see any of the information of the class file name and the specification file name. And right now I'm working on to make the workflow draggable. Yeah, that's my part. Thank you for watching.